Aphorism number 1. Mission of the physician: restore health to the sick is called as healing. Dr. Hahnemann describes aphorism number 1 is as follows: the highest and only mission of the physician is the restore of the health to sick, to cure, as it is termed. And in the footnote of aphorism number 1, there is theoretical medicine. So aphorism number 1 is mission of the physician, and in the footnote, theoretical medicine. And also, highest, the sole aim of the physician, is also in the aphorism number 1. The aphorism number 2 is ideal cure. The highest aim of the physician is ideal cure, speedy or shortest and most reliable, gentle or safest, permanent or entire extent. So the aphorism number 2 is highest aim of the physician is ideal cure. Aphorism number 3 is essential qualities of physician. Essential qualities of physician: knowledge of the disease is first. In general, aphorism number 72 to aphorism number 82. In each case is particular case taking. Aphorism number 83 to 104. Second, knowledge of the medicine in general. Aphorism number 19 to 21. In each every medicine in particular. During proving. Aphorism number 104 to 145. Third, how to apply knowledge of the medicine to knowledge of the disease is aphorism number 146 to 244. So in the aphorism number 3, the essential qualities of physician. First, knowledge of the disease. Second, knowledge of the medicine. And third, how to apply knowledge of the medicine to knowledge of the disease. Proper dose. Aphorism number 272 to 287. Exact mode of its preparation. Aphorism number 264 to 271. Proper time of repetition. Aphorism number 245 to 251. Obstacles in the way of recovery and how to remove it. Obstacles in the way of recovery and how to remove it. Aphorism number 7, aphorism number 77, and aphorism number 186. Aphorism number 252 to 255. Also in the 71. And also there is knowledge for case taking is given in aphorism number 83 to aphorism number 98. This is the most important. Knowledge of case taking is aphorism number 83 to 98. Aphorism number 4 is public preserver of health. Aphorism number 4 is public preserver of health. Aphorism number 5 is for the first time introduced in 4th edition along with the theory of the chronic disease. For the first time introduced in 4th edition along with the theory of the chronic disease. First is what helps physician to cure. Exciting causes in the case of acute disease. Fundamental causes. Example, miasm in case of chronic diseases. Ascertainable to most significant point in the history of chronic disease. Others, accessory circumstances, also in the 81, aphorism number 94, aphorism number 208, and aphorism number 252. Bodily constitution for the first time discussed in aphorism number 5. Moral and intellectual character, occupation, mode of living and habits, domestic relations, sexual functions, and age. This all is in aphorism number 5. And also there is footnote, and also there is in describe Section 81 climate, diet and regimen and customs are also added. Moment of infection, whole body saturated with chronic miasm, external manifestations suppressed artificially of naturally, and then latent miasmatic state, trigger factors, secondary manifestations of chronic disease. Okay, so thank you for watching.